In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is launch one of your apps to use in this view and open it in the background. Then click on the icon of it and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. To manage all of its options, click on the line at the top and operate all of those. And to close your app, you can click on Home button to turn it into a bubble and drag your bubble to remove section. You can drag your window to remove section as well, or simply close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!